Just checking with you all guys. How have you all been? Have you been drinking enough water every day and getting deep sleep, eating healthy, feeling better, spending enough time on your hobbies? I hope you all are doing good and taking care of yourselves. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. I have prepared today's video to talk to you about how our home can help us to feel better, how we can regain our happiness. Of course, the secret key to our happiness is with us and we call it self-care. Let's see how taking care for home can be self-care for us. Here the secret is unlocked. So let's get started. A good night's sleep is the foundation of a good day, the greatest and simplest self-care we can think of. Hence, I ensure our bedroom is pleasing and pleasant for me. I love to invest some time in cleaning, in decorating. Of course, you all know that. It makes my inner self happy. By changing furnishing according to season, change bed sheets once a week, keep it clean, crisp and presentable always. This does two things. One, it provides a good environment for deep sleep, and two, it appeases my interest, makes me happy, and my happiness is my self-care. Every time this new look uplift mood of not only me but my families as well. You see, that's how our home helps us feel better. Have you ever thought about why you need a clean, peaceful bedroom? Now you know it, right? You may be wondering how care for our home can be self-care for us. Cleaning is exhaustive, daunting. Then how is it possible? Okay, let me explain. When the home is dust-free, when there are pictures that capture precious moments, when the aura of the home is positive with bright and beautiful things, welcoming and warm, don't you instantly feel good? That's what I'm talking about. Don't think of cleaning as a chore. Think how taking care of home makes you happy. If you are happy, all the good hormones will be circulating in your body. And that keeps you healthy. In turn, you are caring for your mind as well as your body. Maybe it is a different approach of self-care, but it truly works. Also, cleaning and organizing has a cathartic effect. It helps us get rid of baggage, clears the mind, and it dusts away negative vibes. Yes, it is very true. Try it and let me know. I will be looking forward to your comments. What excites you mentally, intellectually to rejuvenate? For me, it's reading, painting, decor and creating meaningful content for you, for our viewers. While I was researching for this video, being keen on the subject self-care, decided to take a class, The Ultimate Self-Care Playbook by Jonathan Van Ness on Skillshare to understand the concept better. It helped me to understand how can I divert my energy to the right path of self-care. He gave really good insights on self-care, how we can practice to make it fit into our life, how it helps to unlock our creativity and deliver joy by practicing self-care, and many more such interesting aspects of self-care. The phrase I came across, most important relationship in your life, your relationship with yourself, is one of the most beautiful phrases I have ever heard so far. Skillshare is an online learning community which has thousands of creative classes including illustration, art, videography, photography, lifestyle, interior design, etc. I have learned so much about interior design, plant care, productivity, which helped me to gain confidence in those subjects, and that confidence is nothing but the greatest self-care for me. Learning new things brings so much joy, and you can learn new things on Skillshare and gain access to the entire library for less than 1800 rupees annually. That comes to 150 rupees per month, which is way less than to visit a fancy salon. I will share a custom link in the description box below, and the first 1,000 people to click to the link will get 1 month free trial classes of Skillshare. Invest your time and energies in something which you really like to do, at least for half an hour every day. It makes you feel that you have achieved something for yourself by yourself. So ladies, go for it. Look into the mirror and smile at the person. She deserves it. Give yourself a good oil massage once a week. Take time to groom yourself and do whatever makes you happy. And above all, do exercise daily without any excuse. Looking good makes you feel good and confident. And as the cliche goes, it feels good to feel good. My self-care zone is my balcony. I love sitting down in our balcony with a cup of chai and a book, or at times I sit there and think about different approaches to life. It is a peaceful zen zone for me. Sometimes we don't realize, but having a specific corner in our home to meditate or read books create a huge impact on continuing our good habits. How our kitchen is the heart of our home? Well, it is where love and affection translate into favorite dishes. Don't go anywhere. I will explain this in a while. Between many of you requested for a recipe video, and I asked you on Instagram which one you would like to watch, and the majority of you voted for breakfast recipe, which will be healthy and of course taste के बिना हमारा कैसे चलेगा. So I decided to share this Appam recipe. While you are watching the recipe, let me share a few different approaches of self-care. As I told you, my happiness is my self-care. I love to cook and I really feel happy about it. I love to spend time in the kitchen. Nowadays, rather than having fancy meals or snacks, I have focused on fresh, healthy and seasonal food. I'm mindful of what goes in. I meal plan and make sure that me and my family eat nutritious meals mostly. When my well-being is taken care of, I'm in a good state to provide the same for my family. You just cannot pour from an empty cup. Remember? So I keep mine always full. My kitchen brings in that creativity where I think, explore, try and share a tasty recipe or kitchen organization, cleaning ideas with you all.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
We often think self-care is limited to me time, where mostly we are on social media or self-pampering. But it is more than that. Every act in managing home gives a feeling of satisfaction and happiness. It's a subtler form of self-care, I must say. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a big thumbs up and please share the video with your friends and family. I hope this video will motivate you to realize how self-care works differently. Do let me know what is your take on this very topic. After all, self-care will spill over to family care and eventually to a better society. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.